Hello everyone, I am Cassiopeia and this is my first video in this channel. Not actually the first video because you have already seen my hands are doing paintings, but yes, this is the first official introduction of my face in this channel. And please ignore the background because I have kid. And today I'm here for a special reason that I'm gonna review my art supplies. And today I'm gonna review one watercolor pencil from Staedtler in 48 shades. I know many of you were confused before purchasing any art products and you want to know that actually it will be helpful for you or not. So I thought, why not I make a review video on my art supplies that I use, so it helps you. Is it not exciting? Yes, so stay tuned. Staedtler is most popular international brand from Germany. These are the premium quality pencils from Staedtler and I bought it online. It is easily available in Indian market. MRP of the product is 1825, but I am lucky enough to get discount and it cost me around 1350. So this pack consists of 48 pencils, 48 watercolor pencils and one brush, and I take a break notebook and one number 331 fine liner pen free with this pack. This is the notebook and this is the pen. These two costs around 460 rupees, so it's a very good deal. Let me first open these two. Okay, this is also from Staedtler and this is a very good quality pad. Pages are also good, but here you can see some guidelines are there. I think this pad is for mandala drawing, and this is the fine tip pen, permanent marker, color red. So you can see the swatch, it's very fine. Oh, good. I think it will be better if they send black color to me. Anyway, this is fine. Now let's see the swatches. So first I'm taking 4 shades of reds and let's start taking swatches. It's very smooth. I am giving another stroke. A little pressure I am giving here. Colors are vibrant and it is very smooth as well. Now let's see the blues. How does it look? Shades are nearer. So I hope it will help us to blend easily. You can see how easily I can get a darker shade as well as lighter one. And the greens. These pencils are buttery smooth, very nice. I'm very happy to see how it glides on paper. As it is a watercolor pencil, now let's see how it works with water. And I'm not using the brush provided with this pack, as I don't like this brush, and I don't know how companies like Staedtler can make this type of poor quality brush. It's better to give the brush to kids. Anyway, let's start with my brush and see. So first I'm applying here from the darker area to lighter. Wow, it blends so nicely. Very smoothly I can blend this. Now I'm trying from lighter shade to darker shade. Let's see. You can see this is perfect. I'm very happy. I think it's a great idea if you are planning some experimental drawings, and it will create you will create a different effects on your pencil work. In some area, by using water, you can also blend the color very well. But if you think it as a substitute of watercolor, I don't recommend this thing, because it will not meet your expectation. Now let's come to the blending part. Here I'm trying to create a gradient from yellow to red. So first I am taking lighter yellow in a little darker than this. You can see how smoothly the colors blends together. Finally we came to red. So here is a smooth gradient. And now I am applying water. Starting from yellow to red. Wow. It's just beyond my expectation. I'm so happy. I wonder how a wax-based pencil color can blend so nicely with water. A very good product from Staedtler. I just loved this. Wow. Now let's come to the drawbacks. I think only one drawback is that the leads are so smooth, so you need to sharpen it very frequently to get sharp lines. And I think you should give pressure very carefully while drawing, as the lead is so soft it can break easily. As this is a bit pricey than other brands available in Indian market, I don't recommend it for beginners. It better try after your hands get set with other color pencils. Overall, the product is so nice and I liked it very much. A big thumbs up for the product, and of course it's a price out the product. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you have any query about the product, comment below. And if you want a review of any other specific art supplies, you let us know. You can connect with us through email, through Tumblr, through Twitter. You can follow us on Instagram, and you can even join our Facebook group. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe. And if you don't want to miss any updates, do hit the bell icon, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.